Imagine a continuous, automated team of AI developers operating entirely on your local hardware, routing tasks and writing code without constant supervision. That is the exact function of the Munder Difflin application. Instead of providing its own language model, it takes the standard terminal-based AI tools you already use and wraps them into a highly visible, coordinated desktop team. Before we can build this workspace, we need to prepare the host environment. You must have 3 components installed: Node version 18 or higher, an active C++ build toolchain, and a natively installed CLI agent. If you plan to use Claude Code as your primary agent, you must use the native OS installer script. Anthropic has deprecated the old Node Package Manager installation method, and using it here will cause authentication failures. Securing these exact dependencies ensures your system can physically link a graphical interface to background terminal processes, allowing a standalone command line tool to function as a persistent multi-agent environment. Step 1 is acquiring the source code. Open your standard terminal, clone the repository directly from GitHub, navigate into the project folder, and run npm install. It is crucial that you let this installation command finish completely without interrupting it. A standard Node module often fails to link with the Electron framework. The installation triggers a rebuild tool that compiles a native C++ module to match the required architecture. Skipping this runs mismatched binaries, resulting in a catastrophic application crash upon opening. Once the compilation finishes cleanly, type npm run dev to launch the application. This initializes the bootloader and opens the setup interface. Completing this source compilation guarantees that your front-end interface has safe, stable access to the low-level terminal execution environment. First-time users will land in the onboarding wizard. For complete data isolation, disable all telemetry tracking by unchecking the consent box on the final setup screen. While tools like Claude Code manage their own logins externally, you will need to input specific API credentials and settings to enable extra features, like real-time voice dictation. This diagram shows how the system handles those credentials through the secret broker. When you enter a key, it is dropped directly into a secure main process safe and immediately deleted from the visual interface, issuing short-lived session tokens back to the application. Because the visual interface operates on a strictly write-only basis, a compromised agent prompt or malicious script cannot read your root API credentials out of the system memory. Now we establish the workforce. Click Add Agent and select Claude Code to provision your primary orchestrator. The system spawns an isolated background process. You'll know it's successful when the orchestrator, the avatar named Michael, appears at his desk on the digital office floor. Instead of giving commands to individual workers, you give objectives to Michael. Using the command bar, we'll instruct the system to create a folder, initialize a Git repository, and write a status script. This illustrates the Hive protocol routing logic. Michael receives the command and breaks it into subtasks. To protect files, the system provisions isolated Git worktrees. Michael packages the instructions into a payload and delivers it directly to a newly spawned worker's inbox. Structuring the system around file-based routing and worktrees guarantees multiple specialized agents can edit the same project simultaneously without triggering merge conflicts or locking each other out of files. During long, highly concurrent workloads, you may encounter a specific failure state. A worker agent receives an inbox payload, but remains indefinitely stalled at an idle prompt without taking action. This happens because modern operating systems aggressively throttle background JavaScript timers to save battery life. If the application window is minimized at the exact moment a wake signal is sent, the signal is dropped, and the worker never reads its inbox. This mock-up shows the manual recovery tactic. Do not hit restart. Instead, double-click the stalled avatar to open its terminal and type a direct text command like "read your inbox now." Providing actual text forces the engine to execute a computational turn. The worker immediately discovers the pending file and resumes operations, keeping your workflow moving without wiping the agent's memory state. Once the worker completes its task and reports back to Michael, we can verify the output. Checking the host machine's hard drive confirms the new folder and the fully written Python script exactly where requested. As your team scales, you will need to review these automated changes. Clicking the IDE button opens a deeply integrated Monaco editor overlay, allowing you to safely review agent code diffs side by side against your main branch before permanent merges. For overarching project management, the Command Center provides a centralized Kanban board, giving you a live top-down view of all active, blocked, and completed tasks across dozens of autonomous workers. Establishing strict host dependencies, compiling native integrations, and utilizing the Hive protocol transitions you from prompting a single chatbot to directing a fully localized autonomous software agency.